Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're doing some weird abstract space vibe nails. And these were my birthday nails, but my birthday was 2 months ago, so I kind of forgot about these. I already uploaded my right hand. As you can see, my nails are done on my right hand. I uploaded those nails if you want to check those out on my channel, but I completely forgot about my other hand, and I'm not sure why. So I'm finally uploading it in June. My birthday was in April, so yeah. But I'm going to be doing some nail forms today, and I'm going to be using polygel, and I'm just using this brown color because I would never really use this brown color as a design, so I might as well just use it as a base and cover it with gel polish. And I did apply a base coat. I prepped my nails. I had some nails on previously, but I'm basically sort of doing like a fill type of situation. I'm extending the nail that's already on there, and then I'm just gonna add an apex to the nail. So that's what I'm doing with this brown polygel. I'm gonna show y'all how I'm doing that. I'm just smoothing out the polygel into what length I want it to be. I'm using alcohol on my brush. I have 91% alcohol, and I'm using a Rosalind polygel brush. I do not really include links in my description anymore just because, well, I don't see the point because you can just search the product if you want to, but if y'all want links, let me know. I just stopped doing it though. But anyways, I'm gonna let the rest of this polygel application play out, and then I'll come back when I'm taking off the nail forms, because after I take off the nail forms, that's when I add the apex to the nails. So right now I'm just adding an extension. So now I'm going ahead and adding a second bead. I try not to use too much polygel because one, is already strong. You don't need to use like a ton of polygel. Two, it's easy on stiletto nails specifically to overdo how much you are applying, just because stilettos don't need as strong of an apex, as big of an apex as other shapes do. But a third reason why is because polygel doesn't cure all the way through if you use too much, if it's pigmented and not clear. So keep that in mind. Use smaller beads. But anyways, I filed them off camera. I never found my nails on camera anymore, and I went ahead and shaped them up. I think they look very nice. So I'm applying some Rosalind black gel polish. Now, Rosalind products that I have, that they have sent me, are really hard to find. I don't know what happened to the company, but some of their products are only on AliExpress. Some of them, they're just not existent. Like, I'm pretty sure you can't buy just a single black bottle of Rosalind gel polish, so that's unfortunate. But anyways, I'm applying some purple chrome to this nail as well. Usually after applying chrome, unless I'm doing something weird and specific, I like to put a base coat to protect the chrome. And I use a base coat instead of a top coat so that I can still apply things on top of the chrome. So I'm going to be doing some charms on this nail, these charms on my nail palette. And yeah, it does remind me of space a lot. And I'm using super extension gel from Born Pretty. I would not recommend using this as a rhinestone glue because it just doesn't work like that. It's definitely only for applying nails. And I would recommend Macart. I just finally got more Macart rhinestone glue. It takes me forever to restock on things that I run out, and it's really annoying. But yeah, these charms did not last that long. So for the next nail, I'm gonna start out with another layer of black. And now I'm gonna be applying some charms, like framing the nail. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but basically like outlining the nail with charms. So once that nail is done, I painted the pinky black as well. Then I top coated it, and then I attempted to do like an airbrush chrome, but then I realized that the chrome wasn't applying very well. I needed to wipe the top coat with alcohol. I don't know why chrome does that sometimes, but it just does. So I just started putting it all over the nail, and it created like a weird patchy, streaky pattern, which I thought looked fine. So I went ahead and applied a base coat and moved on. So now I'm going to be using some silver Born Pretty gel to do some designs on this nail, and I'm not going to lie to y'all, I don't remember, so I'm kind of just waiting to see what I do. I did some really weird, like abstract type of lines. I don't know what it is. I don't know if this has a name. I don't know if I've seen it before or what, but I did this, and I have no idea how to explain it. I can't lie to y'all, I'm not really that big of a fan of the silver liner from Born Pretty. I haven't tried any other silver liners, or silver gel pots. I just don't like it at all, because when I top coat it, it's not reflective anymore. And if I don't top coat it, the same thing happens. So I don't know what to do. So if y'all have any tips about that, let me know. I don't know what I'm doing to this nail. I'm kind of just applying chrome to the edges, which is strange. So that's different. But anyways, that's what I'm doing here. And I assume I already applied a top coat before I did this, because I don't really like applying chrome straight to gel polish. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I really like stars. So I'm drawing stars on this nail. I don't know why I like stars so much. They just look cool, and I don't know. It's just a nice shape. It's like a heart, except I never put hearts on my nails. So now I'm going to be applying a little bit of charms to just fill in those empty spaces. And I love how this nail turned out. This nail and my pinky nail is probably my favorite. So I'm probably just going to go for that aesthetic if I want to do something like this again. But anyway, on this nail, I also forgot again what I was doing. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure I did the numbers 20, 21, the number 2 and 1 with bling because it is my 21st birthday nails. Also, it is going to be out of focus, but I'm basically done with the design at this point, so this is before top coat and this is after top coat with flash. So let me know what y'all think of these nails in the comments below. I really love how they turned out, and I will make sure to have my Instagram link in the description, so check that out. You can order some custom press-on nails. I pretty much do any design, so just let me know. And this is the birthday nails together. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Leave a like if you enjoyed, and remember to subscribe for more nail content like this. And thank you so much for watching.